Good morning, my name is Mejeeth. This is the IELTS speaking mock test. Do you follow a famous person online?
Yes, I follow. Uh, there's a lot of there's a numerous people, numerous famous people there. But I followed randomly. Like in cinema category, so I follow Vijay, and in sports activities I followed Ronaldo. Ronaldo.
Okay, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like. I'm. Yes, I like to enjoy cooking during my weekends. So I like to make different types of food, like restaurant types. So and rather than I'm very happy to share the food with others.
Okay, who usually cooks in your home?
In my home, usually my mom cook every day. So weekends, I help to her during the cooking, and we'll have a special dish in on weekends.
Okay, do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits. I like fruits very much, and especially there's a lot of fruits there. So especially I like apple and rambutan. So currently there's a rambutan is we can't get rambutan in any season. There's a limited season, so that time only we can see the rambutan. So apple is every time we can buy and eat.
Okay. What makes you happy?
There are some activities that will make me happy, such as talking with my family members or my best friends, or we go outside with them. These are the things make me happy. So share the things with others, that will also
Okay.
make me happy.
What made you happy recently?
So recently, we went to beach with family members. So it was a great experience to me. So in my grandparents and parents, all are joined that trip. So
Okay.
we had a discussion.
Are you usually a happy person?
Yes, I'm normally very happy and positive mind person. So I like to encourage all the family members and motivate all my siblings to do their studies over properly.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Mostly I prefer, uh, so, yes, mostly I prefer tea. So it will gives energy to it will give energy to all people. mm, I don't like coffee, so coffee we only have on evening time, so tea we can have any time. So most of the people like tea.
Okay. What do you usually drink? Tea or coffee?
I don't like to drink tea or coffee. I just prefer to other people have a tea, but I don't have it.
Okay.